Hello, all my CEO babes. I'm super excited to talk to you about this video on how to create emails that drive affiliate revenue. So, if you're someone who's like, I just need a plug and play thing where I know exactly what to say, I know exactly how to promote my affiliate products, then this is the place for you. Congratulations, you're here. But without further ado, if you don't know who I am, my name is Tina Lopez. I am a content creator myself, and we help content creators create passive income through content automation, evergreen traffic strategies, as well as paid digital products. So think of along the lines of affiliate marketing, which is what we're going to be talking about today. So if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on this content. It's a small action that goes a very long way, and I really appreciate it. I'm sending you all my internet hugs through the internet. But without further ado, let's kind of go ahead and get to the training of this video. So when it comes to creating, content, emails, things like that, again, my recommendation is you need to go back to the root of what is the purpose of content, right? There are three core pillars of creating content, and that is to either do one of three things, is to educate, inspire, or motivate, right? So you're going to have a mixture of the three, but you are going to more than likely have a core to your content piece. Again, my recommendation or the way that I do it is primarily a lot of my content is to educate, but you can do a mixture of the three where you can create, how-to tutorials that inspire your individuals to take action. Hence, you're hitting on all those pieces of, to educate, inspire, and motivate. Now, when it comes to the email structure itself, you really want to promote not only your affiliate product, but you want to create expiring bonuses. Now, you need to think about the reason why you're creating expiring bonuses in the first place. Well, the reason why you create expiring bonuses is because people can access or purchase the affiliate product year round, which kind of makes it difficult as affiliate marketer for you to create a sense of urgency for someone to buy from your specific link, right? So because there is that difficulty, what you can do is you can create a unique offer, which will allow you to differentiate yourself from all your other competition, especially if you're in a highly competitive niche. And what happens is that you're creating a unique offer that people want, and that is going to be your expiring bonus. So, really, with that being said, the expiring bonus is going to essentially have them, say, hey, if you purchase my affiliate product from my specific affiliate link, I will give you this bonus for free. So instead of paying for like a mini course and things like that, you're going to get this product for free, which is going to be really great for the user because they're getting more value out of the offer. And thus, it's going to create urgency because you are going to have a time window to do this. And when it comes to email marketing, and you need a tool to create urgency, I recommend looking at mailtimer.io. It's a really great platform for you to create evergreen email campaigns or evergreen timers actually within your email campaigns. Now, when it comes to the content structure itself, I always recommend a 5-day email sequence in order to promote one affiliate product. Again, recommend mailtimer.io to do this, but the general structure of this is that the first email should be an affiliate product intro, right? You want to introduce the product to your audience on like, hey, I came across this product, like this is how it has helped me, and I'm just sharing this information with you. The second email should be introducing them to expiring bonuses, right? So you're gonna say, hey, in my last email I actually recommended this product, and because I actually think it's a great product, I want to let you know, like, hey, if you purchase this product, you're gonna get these expiring bonuses for free, which is creating this natural urgency within the campaign itself. The third email is going to be like a little bit of like a sneak peek bonus teaser, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create, either a video or a mock-up showcasing what the person's going to get with this bonus, right? So when they purchase this affiliate product, you can say, hey, check out the sneak peek. You're also going to get these bonuses for free when you purchase this affiliate product through my specific affiliate link, which is going to be a great thing for you and a way for you to get, natural urgency. The fourth email is actually going to be your last chance email. And what that looks like is it's just going to be a call to action straight up, or it's just going to say, hey, I just want to let you know, here's a sneak peek. Here's everything you're going to get. Make sure you get this affiliate product with this expiring bonus. You're not going to be able to get this expiring bonus for free anymore. When this timer is done, it's done. Things of that nature. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create a fifth email where it's just going to be your downsell email. Let's just say, your audience missed out on the expiring bonus promotion basically what you're going to do is you're going to turn that expiring bonus into a digital product where you can actually get paid for. So if, a person does decide to sign up for the affiliate product later on, well, they can actually get the bonus for no longer for free, but they can get the bonus for paid because they had the opportunity, but they just didn't take the chance. It's okay. You can actually turn the bonus into a digital product, which allows you to get paid on both ends, not only on the commission, but also on the down sale product itself. Now, my recommendation is, you could create these emails yourself and you could do all this, but that takes a lot of work. I went ahead and actually did the work for you where you can get a plug and play, template. You can go ahead and check out my article for it right here. But you're going to get a plug and play template where it's going to walk you through pretty much the whole strategy on like what to say, how to say, but also how to position your expiring bonuses. So if you just need like a script where you just copy and paste and you just put your product links and your affiliate product links in there, no worries, I got you covered. This affiliate template is going to really be your plug and play template in order for you to promote your affiliate products within email. So I highly encourage you to check it out. If I don't already have the link in the description, let me know and I'll send you the link. But these affiliate bank templates are really, really just a great tool and thing that I've created that I think would genuinely be beneficial for you. So no pressure whatsoever, but check it out. I think it's a great resource. But just to recap everything that we talked about when it comes to creating, emails that drive affiliate revenue, you really want to talk about emails that, do one of three things: educate, inspire, and motivate a person to take action. But also you really want to think through of what are the expiring bonuses that are going to go well with this affiliate product, so you create some natural sense of urgency. And then, as always, I recommend you check out our affiliate templates that are going to be a plug and play sequence for you to just, put your affiliate product, and then you can go ahead and get to promoting and selling without having to deal with the hassle of creating copy. So without further ado, if I've earned your like, note, and trust, I would really appreciate if you could go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, even share this video to anyone who think that would be beneficial. Small action that goes a very long way. But either way, thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. And I would love to know what was your number one takeaway in the comments below. But that being said, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, CEO babe. See you in the next video.